can download this from the Play Store, and in the laptop also you can see here I am clicking connect AI companion, and in the phone I am clicking scan QR code and scanning the QR code which is shown here. Let it just load. You can see in the laptop it is loading. And in the phone here I am clicking click to scan button and scanning the product's barcode, and you can see in the laptop at first, but in the MIT App Inventor first it will show an error. Click it again, and then again if I scan it, you can see in the laptop that the data of the barcode has came. Again I will scan here, and there again it came. Again I will scan, there again it will come. Like this it is. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Please like, share, comment. You can download this. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a barcode scanner in which it is the data is going to get saved in a Google Sheet. So let us learn how to make one. Google Chrome. In Google Chrome we need Drive. Here. You can also open it, and we need one more thing that is very important, that is MIT App Inventor. Next we are going to go for here in Google Drive. We are going to create a new what did it say for that? A new, here I'll show you it. A new Google App Script. Click it, and then let it load the page. Okay, then let us name this project as Barcode Scanner. Email, and here let us just continue this. To create new project. Here we'll add the name as Barcode Scanner. First let us close it. Now we don't need this. Here, oh sorry, you should click here rename. Now we have to start the coding. Here we have to come, and we have to put one. We need one button to scan, and we need one scanner. That is barcode scanner. One web URL. One web. This one, not web. Be careful while picking up. Sometimes even I have chosen web URL instead of web. Now we need is web, so we'll just pick it up and keep it here. And one more thing we need is notifier. Notifier is not that much use. If you don't, this is optional. If you want, you can put or not. Here, now we have to put the button's name to click to scan. To scan. Now let us just keep the width of the button fill parent and height to some 10 to 20%. Let us put 20%. Okay. Font size we need is 40. I'm sorry, it has become 40. We need is 40. Here, and let us rename this button to scanner button. Now if you want, you can change the button's color, background color. Font bold you want, you can put, but the font when it is bold, it's not looking that nice. You can put it your choice. I'm not putting here, and that's it. Here nothing. If you want, you can put background here. I'll show you afterwards. That I'll put afterwards. Now first, let us just, we don't need the title. Where is the title? We have to go for screen, go down, title, here. So you can see the title has gone. If you want the title, you can just put it like this and you can rename it. Here I am renaming it as Barcode Scanner. That's it. You can see the title has changed. So that's it. Now let's move on to coding. So we were here. We were going to move to the coding part, but before now we have to add one more thing in this MIT App screen, that is label. Now let us add it here. And here we don't need the label here. Means the text should be empty here, like this. This text is empty because when we scan the barcode's data will be displayed here. The labels text, in the labels text the data will come. That's it. Here. And we need, let us keep the font size to 40. I think let us get 40 is enough. Let it be blank. Be careful while putting this. After checking, it should be blank. And then let us now move to the barcode scanner. Coding. Here we need one more thing. We have to create one Google sheet. I have already created here, that is barcode data. I have already created a sheet named barcode data. In this sheet, we have created this sheet to save the data in this file. So let us now see what we have to do. Here we have to go in the app script, and in function we have to remove this my function. You can see here, right? This will be automatically created. We have to just delete this and write here do get. I'll say what is the meaning of this only. And inside the bracket we have to write e. That's it. Here we have written function do get e, means we have written this because the function should work like it should get the data, and and e means from Internet Explorer. From there only the data will be saved. Now let us create one var variable, and you can name anything for this variable. Here I am naming it as SS. Here I am naming it as SS. Give some space. Here give some space. Write is equals to, and write spreadsheet. Here S should be capital. Here only this spreadsheet app, and write this spreadsheet app, and then dot open by URL and one bracket and semicolons. Inside this you have to paste the link of the file of the spreadsheet which you have created to save the data. You have to just copy this. Here I have copied it. Come here and save it in between the semicolons here. And then we have to make one more variable. That even for this you can keep anything. Here I am keeping it as sheet, and write is equals to, and here this sheet should go here for SS dot get sheet by name. 1 minute. Get sheet by name here, and then in the brackets again you have to write the same semicolons and write the name of the sheet in the file. Here in this spreadsheet we have to write the name of this sheet. Here they can be 2, 3 right here like this. In this now we need the data to be saved in this sheet, and you don't want in this both sheet. So we'll write the name of this sheet. Here let me change the sheet name to, let me rename it. I'll write here data. Okay. Now it is the sheet name is data, so I'll write the same here. Here D is capital, so I'll write here capital DATA, the data. And then we have to write an add user again. Here add user. Add user. This will call the E here, what is here, which is here, and then write comma, and even this will go to the sheet here. And then let us create one more function named function do post. I'll say what is this, do post, in brackets again write same from Internet Explorer and open this here. And one more thing you have to do here, 1 minute. In this function, in the end of every variable here, you have to just write this sign even here and even here. Here. Now next we have to write here the same like how you wrote here, like the 20. We have to write here variable. I will take it as SS. Let it be again spreadsheet app dot open by URL in brackets, in that semicolons. Again you have to copy the same link of the spreadsheet, come back, paste it in between this and close it here. And then again we have to make one more variable, that is sheet. Let me write here sheet. You can name it anything and write ss dot get. I'll copy this only because it is same. I'll just copy this, get here and write brackets in the semicolons, and again the same, the sheet of the name of the sheet here, data, and close this. And then we have to write the same again, add user bracket E comma sheet. Here is written E comma sheet. Yeah. Again close this. And then another function, we have to write another function. In this it should add a user and write in the column, in brackets, E comma sheet. Yeah. We have wrote this here. We have written here this too because this both functions will call this function. These both functions we'll go to this spreadsheet and call this function add user here. Now what this function should do. Now we'll write its code here, and then we'll create a variable that is name, and write her name, and then equals here e dot parameter dot data. Yeah. Let me just change it here as small d. Even here. Even here you should write the same thing. Here data. And then close it. That's it. Like this. Come to next slide. Here I'll write make one more variable, that is last row. Here R should be capital, is equals to, again in the sheet it should get the last row. I'll say how last row, and in blanks in the brackets it should be empty, and close this. I'll show why we have made these both variables. Here we should write in the sheet it should get a range, that is dot get range. Means here in this sheet it should get the range of the value here. Now we have written here something. Why we are making, I'll say. Now here one data is there here. Let me write here some number. Right here. Now this is the data of one barcode. Then when you scan it again, then the data should not come here. It should come to the next line. So we'll write this because we have last row means in this where the data is there, after that which is the last row, there it should paste. Like here, now the last row of this is this one. So the data will be pasted here somewhere, and then again continue, it will go on. Now let me delete this. Yeah. And then go back to the barcode scanner here and get range button in blank brackets, write last row plus 1 comma 1 means it should come here in this row, and it should start from here. Means the number one line means the number one column and the number one row here, and then the bracket is closed. Here dot set value comma name. Name. Here. So this is the variable's name here, name. Don't be confused. This is the name of the variable which is here, and this last row is the variable's name which is here. Okay. Now let us move to MIT App Inventor. Here, when we click the button, it should open the barcode scanner. Here, remember in the barcode scanner it will be use external scanner here. Instead of this, just untick this here. It will be like this, just untick it. It will be ticked, untick it, and that's it. It should call now. it should call the barcode scanner. When the barcode scanner runs, the data will be showed here in the label 1, which is here. Here it will be shown, and it should get saved in this barcode data spreadsheet. Now let us see how we can do that. Here in blocks, here scanner button. When the scanner button is clicked, here, right? When the button is clicked here, click to scan button. That time it should call barcode scanner. Means the barcode scanner should be run. And then let us keep when after result. The button's code is now over. Now let us go to barcode scanner. When the scanning is done, it should set the label 1's text to. Means let me see. I'll show you. It should set the label 1's text here. You set the label 1. Where is the label 1? Here. The text of the label 1 should be the result of after the scan. Here you can see in the result. In this result, there will be get result. You should just drag it and drop it in this. And then this is finished. And then it should call the web. This is here, web 1. And go down. Yeah. Here it should call the text. Post to text. Okay. It should call the post to text. And click here join. From the text box, you take the join button, block, and one blank text box here, and just write here the data. Where is it? This one. You can see here. It should call this name one. So we'll write here data. Where is it? Here. Data is equals to. There should be no spaces, and write and keep it as text label 1's text. Label 1's text. And it should set the URL of this web too. And then it should set the URL of this web too. URL of this web too. Text here. And then go take this from here. Before doing the deployment, you should just save it here and then click deploy, new deployment. At first it will just show you how configure, but for who are doing this for first time, for them it will ask to authorize. While authorizing, you should just do it as what do we say for that? Yeah, it will say it is not, the Google hasn't verified this app, and down there will be advanced. You should click that and click unsafe option. It will be down somewhere here in that, and unsafe option, and it will come like this. Just deploy it, and it the 1 minute. We'll go back. Deploy, new deployment. After it comes here, who has access? There should be, it will be only myself. You should just put it as anyone and then deploy it. Here it will show updating deployment. The link will be here. You should not copy the deployment's ID. You should copy the web app here, that is URL. You should copy URL's link. Here click copy. The message will be come here, and then click done. Go to MIT App and save it here. Means paste it here. Here. That's it. Now our app has been done. Now let us check it in our phone. You can download this from the Play Store, and in the laptop also you can see here I am clicking Connect AI Companion, and in the phone I am clicking Scan QR code and scanning the QR code which is shown here. Let it just load. You can see in the laptop it is loading. And in the phone, here I am clicking click to scan button and scanning the product's barcode, and you can see in the laptop at first, but in the MIT App Inventor first it will show an error. Click it again, and then again if I scan it, you can see in the laptop that the data of the barcode has came. Again I will scan here, and there again it came. Again I will scan, there again it will come. Like this it is. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Please like, share, comment.